time for it, but... Alright, recording number 2.
Ready, Coleman? Alright, good.
Aye. Coming right up.
You sure this shit's legal?
The cheap stuff's always the best.
Well, it tastes like crap.
Got a kick, though.
What is this, grain alcohol? I feel like I'd go blind if I drank another.
Lightweight.
What'd you call me?
Maybe a juice box is more your style.
Give me another, I'll show you, Pops.
Suit yourself, kid.
What do you say now?
I say that guy in the corner just had 2.
Only 2? He's out cold.
Yeah, actually I'm impressed. Most veterans don't make it past 3.
Wait, what am I at?
Oh, wait.
That's fine.
No, I'm just doing it.
No, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Numbers.
Well, that was number 8.
Really?
Yes.
Well, that would explain the sudden urge to throw up over this place and finger paint on the walls.
No, you shouldn't have too much of a good... No,
That's fine.
yeah. Well, please don't do that. Want another?
No, you shouldn't have too much of a good thing, right?
No, that's what actually keeps me in business.
You robbed a drunk?
No, I sell booze.
Oh, great. I'll have another shot. Cheapest shit you got.
Coming right up.
You sure this stuff is legal?
The cheap stuff's the best. I promise.
I may have to talk up a bit over that, just like, you know. Well, it tastes like shit on a shoe.
It's got quite a kick, though.
What is this? Rubbing alcohol? I feel like I'll... Yeah. What is this? Rubbing alcohol? I feel like I'll go blind if I drink another.
Lightweight.
What?
I'm just saying, maybe some apple juice is more your style.
Give me another. I'll show you, old man.
Suit yourself, kid.
Wow! What now?
I say that old hag at the other end of the bar just had 3.
3, you say?
Yeah, actually I'm impressed. Most ladies don't make it past 2.
What am I at?
Well, that was just number 9.
Really?
Sure.
Well, that explains the sudden urge to throw up all over this place and urinate on the bar stools.
No, that might be brain damage. Want another while you're at it?
No, you shouldn't have too much of a good thing, right?
No, that's actually what keeps me in business.
You robbed the drunk?
No, I sell alcohol.
Oh, great. I'll have another shot. Cheapest shit you got.
Coming right up.
Sure this stuff is legal?
The best stuff the house has. Promise.
It tastes like ass juice or something. I don't know.
It's got quite a kick, though, right, kid?
What is this, moonshine? I feel like I'll go blind if I drink another.
Pansy.
What?
I'm just saying, maybe some apple juice is more your style or something.
Let me do another. I'll show you, old man.
Are you off your rocker, kid? Suit yourself.
Oh, yeah. What now?
I say you've had too much to drink.
3, you say?
Wait, what?
What am I at?
That was 10. I'm cutting you off.
Really?
Yes, I'm serious.
That would explain the sudden urge to destroy the bar with my mind powers and urinate on the bar stools.
No, that wouldn't work. Take a seat. Is there someone I can get for you?
No, you shouldn't have too much of a good thing, right?
No, really, you're smashed.
You robbed the drunk?
No, I didn't say anything like that.
Oh, great, I'll have a shot. Cheapest shit you got.
I'm gonna regret this. I'm gonna regret this. Coming right up.
Something about legal?
It's legal.
Tastes like ass. I don't know.
You okay, kid?
What is this?
That stuff's got real kick.
Can you repeat that, sorry?
You okay, kid? That stuff's got a real kick.
What is this? Apple juice? I feel like I'd go blind if I drank another.
Okay, time to go.
What?
I'm just saying, you drunk, kid. You might become a danger to yourself or others.
Let me do another. I'll cut you, old man.
Are you off your rocker, kid? Don't make me rob... Are you off your rocker, kid? Don't make me call the cops.
Oh, shit! I'm falling!
That's it. Get out. No, get out.
What am I at?
Out.
Really?
Yes, I mean, no.
That would explain the sudden urge to desecrate the remains of a wombat with my mind powers and urinate on the bar stools.
What? What did you...
No, you shouldn't have too much of a good thing, right, baby?
What do you call me, baby? I don't want you in my bar. Same thing?
No, just say, I don't want you in my bar.
I don't want you in my bar.
You robbed a drunk? You're crazy!
Get out.
Oh, great, I'll run a shot. Cheapest shit you got.
No shots.
That was take 2 with a baby? No, the reason was there's a scene in Desert Punk